Here we got a 2007 Dodge Charger srt8. I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a 21-year-old dude trying to save some money. So first, I took out the intake. Bam! Whenever you take out the intake, you take off these connectors. Some people take this off to replace the thermostat and whatever. I didn't. I mean, kind of should have a little bit. Take off this hose for the intake. And when I took out the intake, I recorded the belt. Make sure you know the way the belt goes, because it goes with the alternator. The alternator is gonna be right here, somewhere right here. That's my finger points. Right there. You put your ratchet there, and you twist it, and it loosens up the belt. Car, you're gonna need that so you can get the 2 bolts from these right here. So if you want to see those 2 in the bottom, go there. That one, the one right there, and the battery cables right there. For the bottom, you're gonna use 15mm, whatever the fuck it is, and then for that battery one, you're gonna use a 13. It's better to get it from the bottom. Oh, there it is. Pretty much it. It's pretty easy. I mean, it's fucking hot outside, as you can see.